Hello everybody and welcome to day 63 of my Jaguar step restoration project. This rebuild series started out quite clean and organized, but soon turned into a big mess. Nevertheless, I'm confident that I will be able to bring this car back to its former glory sooner or later. To be a part of this journey, you may want to subscribe to my channel, and if doing so, please don't forget to ring the notification bell. But now back to work. This is the subframe I was finally able to remove last week. But before I can start the cleanup, I will have to detach those two brackets, one air duct and this suspension angle sensor. Those two brackets were holding the lower engine cover in place, and as you can see, this was destroyed when I tried to undo the rusty nut on one of the early days. Detaching these brackets requires a 5.5mm hex, but no problem here. Those are 10mm hex. Also no problem here. Let's start the cleanup. I was hoping that at least some of the brown reddish stuff may only be coolant, but unfortunately it's all rust and I have to sand. I should have known that I can't get all too far with sandpaper because those wells are not flat, and also my toy gave up quite soon, so I have to reattempt this subframe with some serious angle grinder. Unfortunately, I don't have such a thing on hand here in my garage, but not to end the day with a fail. I'm gonna reattempt the vertical link / lower arm assembly, which is still an assembly because I wasn't able to detach the ball joint with this heavy duty tool. I can't believe this. Obviously even this heavy duty tool was bending. And even the bolt is crushed on this side. If you look closely. If somebody can help me out, please leave a comment below. And no no-brainer, cross the fingers I don't fail on that also. That's 18 hex. Oh. And like on passenger side, there's a little rust on this spring as well. I have to confess this wasn't the most successful day of my project. If you nevertheless wanna give a thumbs up, thanks in advance. Until next week I will go for all the tools required to really start with the subframe restoration. See you back then. Goodbye.